What's the plan? Are we going for the safe house?
Hey, one other thing. Stick in groups like this, because everyone will come
Don't separate. Don't separate.
Do not separate.
Do not stop. Keep moving. Don't stop moving. Don't stop believing. Don't stop believing. Wow, that's a big lightsaber he has. Search and assess.
It's so hard.
Guys!
Move out the way, move out the way. Hey, Rico, Todd. Anybody up there?
Rico!
Yeah.
Todd!
We're going to the jail?
There's too many guys. Let's get out here. Come on.
Alright, I got the left. I got the left.
I got straight. Who's going to watch back?
I got vertical. I got vertical. Oh shit. Stick together. Stick together. Get ready to rumble. Get ready to rumble.
Yeah, safety's out, motherfuckers. Let's do it.
Weapons free. Weapons free. Stay together. Stay together. Move out. Move out. Move out. Guns up. Guns up. Check your quarters. Check your quarters. Watch your six.
Watch your doors.
Watch the doors. Are those zombies? Keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Keep moving. Don't stop. Go to the left. Go to the left. Left, left. Left side, left side. Left side. Don't shoot. This way, this way. Go, go. The safe house over here. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down. Take it easy, take it easy. Take it easy. Safe house is right here. Safe house is right here.
I got your six.
Hey, watch 6, guys.
Watching six.
He's out, he's out, he's out. Safe house is right here. This is the safe house. They're in there. Watch out, watch out.
Hey, guys,
Say hi to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
He's not dead, he's not dead. That one's not dead. Hold this courtyard. Watch out. Hold this perimeter. Hold this perimeter. We can hold this building. Hold this right here. Kill him, kill him. Kill that zombie. Hold the perimeter. Form a perimeter. Form a perimeter. Don't go too far up. Don't go too far up. Hold the perimeter. Hold the perimeter. They're in that building. Hold this perimeter. Hold this perimeter. Kick that mattress in. Kick it in. They're holding it up. They're holding it up. Go on the backside. Oh, you can't. What?
Push. Yes, push. Come on.
Be careful, it might give away and then they'll fucking get us.
Yeah, I know. We need somebody covered. Well, that's why I'm using the barrel then.
There's still somebody in that room. Hey, there's people in here. There's people in here. No, I think there's zombies. Watch out, watch out.
Hey!
They're holding it up. Watch the right. Two people, watch it.
Hey!
Someone use the chair. No, use the chair.
Use this.
Up to you. I got it covered.
Watch out. Here, I'll do it. Ready? Look out!
Pull it. Oh, I saw that.
Keep it up!
Pull it down. Pull it down. Oh, I get some.
Thanks. Pull it out, pull it out. Pull it out, two hands. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, oh. Oh, shit. Did it get you?
No!
That was close. Fuck.
Don't need to get close, bro. He's gonna get you. Hey, watch out.
Pull it left. He's hit. Go out. Get out. That man coming. That man walking. Coming out.